What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to open up a door when the lock is faulty. So if we turn the lever here, doesn't do anything. The mechanism on the inside is faulty, and for that reason the latch is stuck inside the strike plate. Okay, let's get straight into it. Let's do this. Alright guys, so as I said, the lever is faulty, can't open up the door here. We're very lucky in this case here, we can get around to the back side through the ensuite so I can show you guys exactly what's going on. So if we have a look on the other side here, once again, this lever does not work at all. Same thing, faulty mechanism, and that is a reason why it's actually stuck inside the strike plate. So if we have a close look here, between the door and the strike plate, you can probably just see it there, there's a bit of sticky tape. That tells me that this strike, the latch has actually been faulty for a while. So what they decided to do was put some sticky tape over the latch, over the strike plate to prevent the latch from going in and getting stuck. Obviously that hasn't worked. Latch is now stuck inside and we need to get this door open. So there's a couple different ways that we can do this. Obviously we're on the inside of the room now, so I'm going to show you guys a quick method that we can do if you've got access from the inside. If we have a look here, there's always two screws that hold this lock together. Now it might not be visible screws, so in this case here, we can turn this one here over. And you can see there we've got direct access to the screws. I can simply unscrew this, pull it off, no problem, replace the latch, nice and easy. But the majority of times you won't be able to get into the inside of the room. So I've shown you guys in a previous video, I'll link that in the description below as well, how to drill out the lock. Whenever you're stuck and there's no way around it, it's a good option to just simply drill it out. So you guys can check that video out. But in this case here, I'm going to show you guys how to open it up from the outside using some shims. So what we're going to be using is some door shims, guys. You can buy a whole stack of these with a whole different range of thicknesses. Very, very cheap, nice and effective, work majority of times. But if you don't have these, there are plenty other options. You can get a little piece of cardboard. If you find the books, school books, sometimes the higher quality ones will have a little bit of a plastic cover over the front of it. You can use that. There's a whole range of different things you can use, guys. What we're going to do is just basically take these shims, slide it through the side here, and we want to push that latch back. So first I'm going to actually do this, get the latch out of the way, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're doing as we're putting through our shims. So all we do, line it up with where the latch would go, push that in a little bit, and we want to just wiggle it back and forward until it starts to wedge its way in through that doorway. So if we just keep pushing that, we're going to eventually push that shim out of the way, and you can see there, I've now opened up the door, guys. It is that simple, very, very easy. Now, don't be confused and think that this is going to allow you to break into people's houses. That's not what this video is about. You won't be able to do that, and this will not work, guys. What we're doing here in this case, like I said, it's simply a bedroom door. So I'll show you guys a bit of a close-up what we're doing here. So now we've got the door open, we can see the sticky tape that's covering the latch. This was simply put on there to prevent the latch from getting stuck on the strike plate. It's a simple little temporary fix, but obviously didn't last very long. If we turn the lever, you can see there, still faulty, it's not working. I need to replace this latch here in order to fix the problem. So what I'm gonna show you guys is a bit of a close-up as to what we're doing with the shim. You can see there, the latch here is on a bit of an angle, so it's cut on a little bit of an angle in order to be able to hit that strike plate and then get stuck in the strike plate, preventing the door from being opened. What we do is we take the shim, slide that through the doorway, and then we simply jiggle that around a little bit until it slides over the latch. And you can see there, as it slides up over the latch, we actually push that latch out of the way, allowing us to open up the door. So it's a very simple concept, guys, nice and easy. So once again, guys, the door is closed, doesn't work, the latch is faulty. We're going to take our shim. I'll try to show you guys a bit of a close-up. So what I'm going to do is take it with one hand, push that in where the latch would usually go, so sliding between the door jamb and the door, jiggle that around, wiggle it through until we push the latch out of the way, and you can see there it simply pops it open, guys. Nice and easy little trick. I'll see if I can do it with a little credit card. So I'll take something out of my wallet, I'll see what I've got. Alright guys, once again we've got a card from my wallet, just a random plastic card. We're going to take it, do the exact same thing, line it up with the strike plate here, push it through as much as we can. Now this one here is a little bit thicker than the door shims, so it's going to be a little bit harder, but hopefully we'll still be able to get the exact same result. Push it through, wiggle that up and down. And there we have it, guys, nice and easy. James Bond would be impressed. Works very, very well. to get you out of trouble. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.